Hi everyone, this video is just like the last video where we've got an equation of a line that is not in slope-intercept form, and basically we just need to get it into slope-intercept form in order to see the rate of change, slope, and the y-intercept. So it's kind of the same directions. The only difference is it doesn't say to put it in slope-intercept form, but we're going to need to in order to figure out the slope and the y-intercept. So we're going to take 4y plus 20x equals 8. Again, slope-intercept is always this form right here, mx plus b, since m is the slope, how the line moves, and b is the y-intercept, where the line typically begins on the y-axis. So our goal is to get y by itself, like we've got on the left side here. We want to do the same thing in the equation that we're given. So we're going to separate our two sides and basically solve this like a two-step equation. We're going to not touch the variable at first that we want to isolate. Instead, we're going to move the 20x. It's a positive, so we're going to subtract it from both sides. It's gone on the left side, but on the right side, be careful. You can't combine an 8 and a negative 20x. They're not like terms, just write them side by side. There's no combining to do with that. Then just bring down the 4y on the left side, and we're almost done. We want to get y equals, we've got 4y equals. The way we get rid of that is to divide both sides by 4. Now, you can write it like this, but that's a little bit tricky to work with on the right side. So I recommend not doing it like that, but instead divide every single term, every single part of the expression on the right side here by 4. That way you don't forget that you've got to divide every single piece by it. So on the left, we just have y equals 8 divided by 4 is 2. Negative 20 divided by 4 is negative 5x. You could, of course, rewrite this if you'd like. If you want to put the x first, you can definitely do that. Just make sure you write it with the negative. It's a negative 5x and a positive 2. If you switch those symbols around, you're going to get it wrong. You can't do that. The 5 was negative, the 2 is positive, so it's a plus 2 and a minus 5. Now, our slope is just the number in front of x, the coefficient of x, which is negative 5. And the y-intercept, you can just call it 2, or you can call it the coordinate point 0, 2. Either way, you've got it covered.